Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Parkvale is one of the older and most historically significant neighborhoods in Red Deer, Alberta, located close to the downtown core and the Red Deer River Valley. The area developed in the early years of the 20th century when Red Deer was still a small but growing prairie town. Because of its location near the original town site, Parkvale became home to some of the city's earliest residential streets and community spaces. The neighborhood is known for its mature trees, established homes, and easy access to green spaces. Many of the houses here were built during the early and mid-20th century, giving the area a character that reflects several decades of growth. The layout of Parkvale encourages walking, with nearby parks and pathways that connect residents and visitors to the scenic river valley and surrounding recreational areas. Parkvale's location near the Red Deer River has always been an important part of its identity. The river valley has served as a natural gathering place and travel route for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples used the riverbanks long before European settlement, relying on the area for hunting, trade, and seasonal movement across the plains. The proximity to water made this land valuable both historically and in modern times. One notable feature of the neighborhood is its closeness to Bower Ponds, a well-known recreational area that attracts visitors year-round. Originally part of the river's natural landscape, this area was developed into a park space during the 20th century. Today, Bower Ponds offers walking paths, picnic areas, and open green spaces, making it one of the most recognized outdoor gathering spots in the city. Parkvale also benefited from Red Deer's growth as transportation routes improved. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, the arrival of the railway encouraged settlement in areas close to the downtown core. As businesses developed and services expanded, neighborhoods like Parkvale became important residential areas for workers and families who wanted to live close to employment and community facilities. Over time, Parkvale continued to evolve while keeping much of its original character. Schools, community facilities, and nearby commercial areas helped support daily life, while the river valley remained a constant natural feature. Today, Parkvale represents a blend of history and modern living, offering a look into how early neighborhoods helped shape the city that exists today. Thanks for watching!